And part two of the Boeing 303 Stratocruiser takeoff and landing at Monterey Peninsula Airport in California. Making a left banker over Pacific Grove here, California. My old hometown, Monterey Bay. Coming in, making a left banker for the Monterey Peninsula Airport. Monterey Bay, California. Pretty Monterey Bay here. See if we can make a nice touchdown at the Monterey Peninsula Airport. Boy, this is quite an old lumbering old bomber here. Flies real well. Very realistic. Boeing Stratocruiser 303, an old military plane from the 1950s. A lot of fun. Okay, cut down throttle and see if we can stick a landing here. Yeah, what an airplane. This is really something. Well, they built them back in these days, I'll tell you, too. Switching to the outside and the inside view here. Get a little scenery. Okay. See if we can make a nice easy touchdown here. Boy, I tell you, this is about as real as it gets. Make a glide in landing here if we can without landing too hard. And let's see how we do. Flare flaring up. Well, what do you know? How about that? Haven't flown this old girl in a long while. Not a bad landing, eh? Microsoft Flight, excuse me, great fun. If you want to get your kids into some really rewarding, mental stimulating video games, get them into Microsoft Flight Simulator X Gold Edition. Boy, I tell you what, this is great for the kids. Very mentally stimulating game. I can't get enough, it seems like. Lots of aircraft to choose from, lots of options you can do. Okay, thanks for hopping aboard. That's it for now. Thanks.